Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If your Garmin app is not connected to your watch, don't worry about it. In this video, I will tell you how to fix this problem. So keep the video till the end and follow my step to fix the problem. First, go to the browser and search your Garmin server status and click on the first link and check for the server. If no issue found in the server, then next is long press on your app and click on the app info. Now scroll down and force stop and close all tabs and then reconnect again. After doing this problem, if it is not working, then restart your device and again try to connect. If this method is not working, then long press on the app and go to the app info again. Now click on the clear data and clear cache. Once doing this, again log in your app and try to connect. If it is not working, then go to the Play Store and search here Garmin app and check for the update. Is update available, then update it. Otherwise follow the next step. Next is again long press on the app and and uninstall the app and reinstall. After doing this step, your problem may be fixed. I hope this video is for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe to the channel and save your friend. Thanks for watching the video.